shells.
We got these two
On
seashells.
mad.
Okay, so this is my mom, and she's gonna open these two. So let's see what's gonna be there inside. Oh my god! Oh my god! What is this? It looks like something like a butterfly opening, right? Yeah. See. What?
ಸೈಕ್ಲೋನ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಾ
ಸೈಕ್ಲೋನ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಆಲ್ ಇದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಶೆಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ಸೆಲ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸೆಲ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಓನ್ಲಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸೆಲ್ ವೇರ್ these are the high proteinaceous
They'll eat this.
see here.
Oh no, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಹಲಸಿದೆ.
Yeah, it is alive.
ಹಲಸಿದೆ.
No.
ಹಲಸು ಬಿಡು. ಹಲಸಿದೆ. She'll eat this now.
Yeah, I like it. I eat it
ಇದು
now.
ಏನು ಫಿಶ್?
Yeah, it is a fish. Shellfish.
ಹಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
See how this.
See, it's like a fish.
It has got a eyeball, the mouth.
It does not have an eyeball. It looks like it has an eye.
It has got, but it's very young. And see how fleshy and high proteinaceous. I have eaten it many times.
She eats everything.
Yeah,
She is born in a wrong place. And this thing, it's so hard. It looks like a cartilage. My god, this is dirty. I don't eat this. No. Baba. Flip it na. Don't. Cracking it na.
Check.